front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by installing your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll down, click on apps and tap on manage apps. Over here, you need to select those three dots at the top right corner. Click on default apps and then tap on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, browser. Lastly, tap on one of your apps in order to apply it, like Opera. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!